Hello, this is John Locke for Lockdown Design and SEO, and if you're on this page watching this video, you're probably looking for a SEO company within Sacramento. I'd like to take just a minute or two to explain why we're different than some of the other companies that you might be looking at. For one, a lot of the companies that you see on page 1 of Google for Sacramento SEO, some of them are out of town, some of them are based in here in Sacramento, but definitely some of them are not from around here. If you need to talk to somebody face to face and shake their hand in person, that's something we can do for you. But a lot of the companies that you see, they specialize in a lot of different types of SEO. And we're not like that. We are not going to take anybody with a checkbook and a pulse. We specialize in helping industrial and manufacturing companies and also a few blue collar companies with their SEO. So if that sounds like you, if you are a more industrial, if you're a more blue collar or manufacturing type of company, that is somebody that we could definitely help with SEO. Lastly, a lot of SEO companies, they specialize in more of the marketing or content end. That's something that we offer as well, but we also do things end to end, meaning we can handle design, we can handle development, and we can handle content creation. And that is something that a lot of SEO companies simply cannot do at a high level. We have development skills in-house, and we also have a network of trusted friends who have legitimate expertise. We're not just hiring people off of Fiverr or Upwork and upcharging you. If you have a big project with challenging things as far as development or design, that is something that we can handle through our extended network. But all our work is done in-house. We're not outsourcing it to India. We're not outsourcing it to Eastern Europe or anywhere else. We are handling all of it right here in the USA. Everybody that we're employing is right here in the United States. And like I said, check out the rest of our site. We publish videos every day on YouTube. We publish on our blog. We appear on other people's podcasts, and we teach SEO as much as we possibly can. So if that's what you're looking for, check us out, Lockdown Design and SEO, your company here in Sacramento to help you out with SEO.